Got it. So, especially in agentic AI, I will cover single agent development, and we will deploy this single agent development in AWS server. In which server? AWS server with the help of CI/CD pipeline. So this is the first example, Prajesha. Can I explain the architecture also? Like coming to the single agent development architecture also. Basic level, not in depth. I will tell basic level what kind of applications we need to do. This is our agent. This is our agent. For the agent, the input files. Assume here this is the code review agent. The name of the agent is the code review agent. For the code review agent, input is the C file, C++ file, Java, .NET, .NET, Python. Like this also, any language, Salesforce, any language, any file, we need to provide the input. Fine. Yeah. Whenever we provide the input, whatever the code review agent is, that code review agent will read language specifications like a validation criterias. Validations factors from DB. Which DB? The DB we can call vector DB. Vector DB. Which one is the vector DB? Chroma DB. Chroma DB or Pinecone DB. Pinecone DB. So, what are the code review agent is there? It will read the validations factors from the vector DB. Fine. After reading, what are the code review agent is there? It will produce the result. Which result of how many P1 issues are there, and how many P2 bugs are there, and how many P3 bugs, and how many P3 bugs, and how many P4 bugs are present into your code itself. Not only that one, these bugs will store to one tool, then that tool we can call the Jira tool. And whatever the setup we have, the total setup, the complete setup we need to deploy into EC2 server. Just I'm saying the syllabus team architecture point of view, EC2 server, which is available with the AWS, which is available with the AWS care. So this is the application I need to do. Fine. I'm repeating again, team. I think you people are asking the questions with the Agentic AI. What kind of topics you will cover something. You are asking the point here. Say this one first application. Single agent development. What is a single agent development? This is the name of the agent, code review agent. For this agent, this is the input. C file, C++, Java, .NET, Python, all the coding, Salesforce, any language, React, anything I need to provide the input. This code review agent will read all the validations factors from one DB. Then that DB we can call vector DB. Then that DB we can call the vector DB. Fine. Which one is the vector DB? Chroma DB or Pinecone DB? From the DB itself, it will read the validation factors. After reading the validation factors, it will produce the bugs, P1 bug, P2 bug, P3 bug, and P4 bug. Not only generating, the code review agent will create stories inside the Jira tool. The whole setup, what are the setup is there? The whole setup we need to deploy into one server. Archana, we need to deploy into one server. Then that server we can call Dinesh. Then that server we can call EC2 server. This is the application I need to do it. Remember that point. Fine. Team. Next application. Anyone want to ask the question here in this diagram? In the syllabus point of view, if you have any question, especially this project. Especially this project, if you have any question, please ask me, then I'm ready to get a reply to you. All the people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
One question, sir.
I-
What is the difference between normal DB and vector DB?
Vector DB is special for the to store the vectors. Normal DB in the sense you have the structured data, structured and unstructured data. If you take the SQL DB, it contains the structured data. If you take the NoSQL DB, it contains the unstructured data. The speciality of the vector DB is to store the only vectors, number of vectors. For example, in the artificial intelligence, one point is there. For example, is it a string? Yes or not? This is the string.
Yes.
Hello is the string or not?
Yes.
Hello is the string.
Yeah.
In artificial intelligence or LLM, I'm saying the whatever the string is there, that string will convert to equivalent number. That equivalent number will convert to number vectors. Like what is the number vector? 1, 1, 0.32. Next one is the 0.45. And like this also so many things are there. Yes or not? And who will understand this one? LLM will understand this one. LLM friendly language. LLM friendly language is the vectors only. Fine. Now, I think to understand yourself, I can provide one
Yeah.
pointer.
Yeah.
You and me, what's the comfortable language?
English.
English or Telugu or Hindi?
English.
Yes or not? You know,
Yes.
ChatGPT. Like, you know, ChatGPT. Next one is the Claude. Claude. Next one is the Gemini. You know, what is the comfortable language? Comfortable language is the vectors. Got it or not? Vectors are the comfortable language for the LLM.
Okay.
Who is the efficient database to store the vectors? Vector DB.
Okay.
Which one? Vector DB. What are the vector DBs? Chroma DB, Pinecone DB. Next one is the Fias. Fias DB. Especially this DB released by the Facebook company. Got it or not? Around 2 to 3 DPs I will cover here, not an issue. So now,
Okay.
already I developed this application, already I deployed this application with the AWS server also for the last batch. Okay, na? Fine. Team. One more person. If anyone want to ask the question here, please let me know. Then I need to take the reply to you.
Yeah, I said this is Anil. So
Can you
you
speak bit
explained this
louder?
yeah.
Anil,
Can
can
you
you?
hear me from?
Yeah,
Can you
it's
hear
good.
me?
Okay, better. Go ahead.
Yeah, okay. So you explained this architecture as a code review agent. Since I am SAP consultant, can you please validate my points like how this program, I mean, this architect can be uh,
Got it. Got it.
developed?
Got it. Fine. Anil,
Yeah, please
high
explain
level.
as a security
Got
concept.
it. Got it here. For example, maybe Anil, I can do one favor to you. If you explain your complete flow, your SAP flow in the regular classes, 100% I will build one AI agent according to your flow. Got it or not? According to your flow, I'm able to build that one. If you tell one regular flow, sir, in the SAP, every day I'm doing this one. If you tell that one, I will build one application, then I will integrate it to your SAP system also in the daily basis. Okay, na? I think that promise I can do to you, not an issue. Fine. Next one, team. Anyone have a question? If you okay, can I go to the another example? One more project. What kind of project I need to do? Mr. Dinesh. Mr. Dinesh, are you there now?
Yes,
Anyone have the
sir.
questions in this one? Anyone have the questions, sir?
No, we
Because
can.
there are so many questions, team. Will
What's
you
your
go on?
name, sir? Please.
Can you ask again?
What's your name?
Tamba.
Okay. Yeah, we can go ahead.
Yeah. Next one, team. Let me go to the another project. One more project we need to do. The second project is the multi-agent application. Let me go for the multi-agent application. Fine. In multi-agent application, what type of application I need to build? Can I explain the architecture of the application? Let me explain the architecture of the application. Here we have the resume, candidate resume. Fine. We will submit resume to the review agent. No human being, only review agent is there. You need to submit your application to review agent. Yes or not? Fine. Coming to the review agent, what kind of thing it will do? Here we have the like a job description dot pdf. This one supplied by the company itself, company or otherwise naukari.com, or we have the LinkedIn. So many things are there, so many things are there. Fine, I will do something. I will read as a agentic AI developer. I will read data from the PDF file. After reading that data, I need to convert it to vectors. Compulsory, because LLM friendly language is the vectors. Then I need to convert it to vectors. And whatever the vectors are there, these vectors I want to store to DB itself. I want to store to DB itself. Then that DB we can call the FIAS DB. FIAS DB or anything. Multiple DBs also we can use, not an issue. Chroma DB. For the architecture, I am saying team, never say, sir, we don't know FIAS. To know that one only, you join the course. Fine. Review agent will read that information from the FIAS DB. After reading, review agent will give the feedback. Review agent will give the feedback. Which feedback? Like selected or not selected. For example, if the matched percentage is greater than 80%, if a resume matching percentage is the greater than 80%, review agent will give that information to the interview agent. Interview agent. Fine. What is the interview agent? Interview agent will prepare some questions. Will prepare one questions based on resume itself. After preparing the questions, interview agent will ask the questions also. It will ask the questions to the candidate through the chatbot itself. Funny. Based on the answers, interview agent will give the feedback. Which feedback? Selected or not selected. Selected or not selected. And this feedback, it will give to one more agent. It will give to one more agent. Then that agent we can call email agent. The email agent will forward it to candidate. Will forward it to candidate. Fine. And another thing, Anil, and one more thing, Dinesh. Try to say the one more thing. For example, if not selected, immediately one more agent will come to the picture. Which agent? Feedback agent. Feedback agent will come to the picture. This feedback agent will give that information to the email agent. And the email agent will send the email to the candidate with a clear-cut description. Fine. Team, please give the confirmation here. Here how many agents we have? Here how many agents we have? Can anyone tell me? Number of agents. First one, review agent na. Respond. Review agent na. Talk with me, Anil. Review agent na. Next one. Who is the next agent? Interview
Interview.
agent. What is the next agent? Feedback agent. What is the next agent? Email agent. Around four agents are came to the picture or not? Four agents are came to the picture. Along with that one, are we reading the data from the PDF file? Are we reading the data from the PDF file? Yes, we are reading the data from the PDF file. That data we store to one DB. Which DB? FIAS DB or Chroma DB. Then this process we can call RAG. what are the process is there, then this process we can call the RAG. Yes or not? And sometimes the agents, review agent, interview agent, feedback agent, email agent, sometimes needs the tools. They need some tools. To do this work, they need some toolkit. Who will provide the tools? The tools provided by one server. Then that server we can call the MCP server. Then that server we can call MCP server. Inside the MCP server, we have so many tools like a mathematical tools. So, because here we need to calculate the 80%, 90% some mathematics are required or not. We need some tools. The two tools we are reading from the MCP server. And these tools we need to supply to respective agent itself. Respective agent itself with the help of one plugin. Then that plugin we can call MCP client plugin. Then that plugin we can call MCP client plugin. So this is the project we needed to build within the class itself. And one more thing, whatever the project is there, whatever the architecture is there, the complete architecture I needed to deploy into one server, which is server, Microsoft Azure server. Microsoft Azure server. In a Microsoft Azure server, the whole project I needed to deploy. Then our project is the live project. Fine. Anyone want to ask the question? If anyone have the questions, I'm ready to
Yes,
reply.
sir. If we can explain abbreviations like MCP and RAG, that would be helpful.
Retrieval augmented like Gina generation, retrieval augmentation generation. That is called as the RAG. You know, like you are feeling like why the name like that? That's our point or matter. Why the name like that? That is our point.
Yeah.
General, I need you to tell. ChatGPT is there. I will let you know one information here. Will ChatGPT able to give your personal information? Will ChatGPT able to give your personal information or
No,
not?
no.
Tell me, you need to tell.
But
Will it tell
ChatGPT
your personal
give
information? No, na?
the personal. No, no, no. ChatGPT will not give the personal.
It won't
It
give the
will give.
personal information. But I need you to do something. We want you to place your personal information in one PDF file. Like my name is Kannan and my date of birth is something and my location is something. If you provide that information to the PDF file and supply to your ChatGPT, then this process we can call the RAG. What are the mechanism I told? Then that mechanism technically we can call the RAG itself. Got the clarity or not? Fine. So, are we providing any additional knowledge? Additional knowledge, outside knowledge we are providing or not?
Yes.
Respond. Then that one we can call the retrieval. Retrieval augmented generation. Retrieval in the sense providing additional information. That is called as a retrieval augmented generation. Fine. And another thing, what is MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. MCP contain the tools. Who will use the two tools? Agent will use the tool. Who will use the tool? Agent will use the toolkit. Got the clarity or not? For example, to perform 80% or 70%, you need some mathematical calculations now. If you wanted to do some mathematical calculations, we need some tools. The two tools are present into one server. Then the server we can call the MCP server. Okay. These MCP server, what do you call? What is MCP? What I told you? Model context
Model
protocol. Model
protocol.
context protocol. Fine. This MCP server tools we need to link to agent. To link to agent, we need one plugin. Then that plugin we can call the MCP client plugin. Like yesterday we told like a Git plugin or something I told na. Like this also we have the one plugin. Through that plugin we need to do it. And one more thing I need to tell it. Here, how many agents are there in this project? Respond, you need to respond. How many agents are there? Sayada. Review agent, interview agent, feedback agent,
Four.
number of agents are there. Here, do we have any particular flow? Clear cut flow is there or not? Answer, clear cut flow will be
Yes.
there or
Yes.
not? Clear
Yes.
cut flow will be there.
Yeah.
Who will define this flow? This flow defined by one framework, then that framework we can call the Lang graph framework. That flow defined by whatever the flow is there, that flow defined by one framework, then that framework we can call the Lang graph framework. Got it? Then while developing this project, we need to integrate the Lang graph also. Got it or not? And another thing. And one more thing is it a review agent? Review agent needs some tools or not? Where we have the tools, respond. Where we have the tools, MCP server or not.
Yes.
These tools we need to link to review agent or not. To connect to review agent. Then we need one more framework. Then that framework we can call language chain framework also. We need to follow one more rules and regulations. Then the rules and regulations technically we can call language chain framework also. The language chain framework will connect tools to our agent itself. Okay, fine. Now ask the questions. Anyone have team? If anyone have the questions, team, then you can ask the questions with the multi-agent.
Hello, sir. Yeah. Hello, sir. I have a question actually. So one RAG will connect only one agent only, right? Will work on.
You were asking like one RAG.
Will work on with one agent, yes, AI agent only, right?
That is our context, na. I will let you know one point.
If I want
Just
multiple times, multiple scenarios, how to do that?
multi-RAG also possible. Multi-RAG also possible. Can I give the one example to you? Sir, for
Yeah,
example,
please.
we're working with some TCS company. Okay, na? For entire company, need some common information. Need the common information. At that time, what we need to do? At that time, what we need to do? We need to maintain a single RAG or not? Respond. Hello? Yes or not? You people need to maintain the single RAG or not?
Yeah.
Single RAG. Isnesh garu. And one more thing. In our company, you have some protocols are there. This PDF file accessible to only managers. Before accessing, some authentication and authorization should be happen. Some protocols are there. Yes or not? At that time, we need to go for the multi-RAG protocols also. In the RAG, we have the 5 types of RAGs are there. That 5 types of RAGs we will discuss in the class itself. Okay, na? I think there is a design based on our application architecture. What kind of application we are building, based on that one, we will build such type of applications. Fine.
So basically, basically the racks, what it does actually, and why specifically we can use into agentic AI. Can you please repeat your question?
Exactly. For example, can I say the answer here? Simple answer I need to tell, then you can get the clarity. For example, this is the cloud. Let me open the cloud. You know cloud, na? Like LLM or not?
Yeah, I know Cloud.
It's
Anthropic,
LLM.
I know Anthropic also.
Say this one, cloud. For example, just ask this one. May know leave policy in company.
In India,
Not India. In just to say one company here. The company is some brain company here. Brain enterprises company. So this is the question I need to ask. Will it knows this one? Will it knows?
No, I think no, it's a personal data.
Exactly.
it's related to company specific.
That's the thing. Your cloud unable to give na?
They can get some any
Whether it's public,
information.
whether it's the information is available in public domain, it will give it fetch the data.
It will get it. It will get it. It will get it. Otherwise, it won't get it. Are we getting the information here?
Yeah, general.
Are we getting the information? Yeah, maybe say this one. Maybe my company information available publicly, so it is giving the answer to me. Okay, na? Generally, it won't give here. Generally, it won't give. But what I need to do, I will do something. I will prepare one PDF file, my company PDF file. I will link my company PDF file to the cloud itself. Okay, na? Then our cloud able to provide the information which is related to my company or not?
Yeah.
Respond, Avnish Garu.
Yeah.
They can generate
Yes,
from
that
that
is called as
particular
the
PDF.
exactly. That is called as the RAG, providing additional knowledge to the LLM. Technically, what do you call RAG? Got it or not? And one more point I need to tell. What is the friendly language for the LLM? The friendly language for the LLM is the vectors. So whatever the additional knowledge you wanted to provide here, that additional knowledge you need to convert it to vectors itself. That vectors you need to store with the DB itself. Got it or not? Then your LLM able to understand easily. Then that one we can call the RAG. I hope you got some clarity.
Yeah.
Yes.
So a vector FB will be to convert a position into LLM between the LLM and RAG, right?
To increase the performance. To increase the performance. Whatever you told me, my point also same thing. In order to increase the accuracy of the application, then we need to convert before itself. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Any
Okay.
question? Yeah.
And yeah,
Anyone
one
have
more question which I asked that how it RAG handle the multiple domain, multiple
we need to see
situations.
it na, because RAG has some protocols are there. Then we need to see the protocols. 5 protocols are there. 5 protocols are there. All the 5 protocols we need to see. Okay, na? Yes. Team, are any other questions, high level questions, team, regarding the syllabus point of view? Because some people are asking.
What is the programming language that's needed to build all
Python,
the engines?
Python. The prerequisite is the Python.
Okay.
Fine. If you people won't have any question, then I need to go for another example. Any question?
We can go.
Here, one more question. MCP, can you please elaborate more on this MCP?
Nothing. MCP is the nothing. Agent. Agent wanted to perform some work. Is it your agent? This is the agent. Agent to perform some task. To perform task, agent need some tools. Agent need the some tools. So for example, I will let you know. Isnesh garu, for example, your application need current data, today data. What are the agent is there? Your agent need the today date to calculate the date of birth. Got it or not? Fun. To access today date, agent need the calendar or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
obviously.
Calendar or not? That calendar functionality we will incorporate with the MCP protocol, MCP server. Got it or not? Inside the MCP server, you have the calendar. That calendar we will link to our agent itself. Got the idea, na? Yes, sir, not. For example,
Yeah.
just like a PA, and for example, I hope
So
if
acting
you are
as
the
a
manager,
middleman.
if you are the, once again, if you are the manager, in our company, you have the one PA is there, na? Personal assistant. What is the role of him? He will provide a necessary tools for you or not. Whatever you require, he will supply that one. That is called as the MCP. Fine. Next one. Anyone have the questions in this one? No question now?
Can you go drop down, please? Can you drop down? Can you go come down? Yeah, you are missing this. Yeah. Can you zoom it?
Akash. Someone trying to ask the question. One more person. Can you talk with me? Whoever had the question. Dinesh.
So backend data, how to store the data in that? Storing the data and providing how it does.
This one, you were talking about this one.
Yeah.
Chroma DB, because we have the API, we have the API. Some APIs are there to store the data to the Chroma DB. Through that API, we are able to store the data. Your thinking is the how to insert the data, how to read the data, how to update the data. There's a point or not. Chroma DB will provide the API. Through that API, we are able to store the data.
And what about the lang chain?
Lang chain, this is the lang chain. Lang chain in the sense where we have the tools. Where we have the tools. MCP server or not.
Yeah.
These tools we need to link to agent or not.
Yeah.
Yes or not. To link to agent, we need to follow some protocol. Who will tell that protocol? LangChain will tell the protocol. I think to understand yourself, I will tell one point. In offices, we have some peer, some pune is there. Will he come to your room directly? Or any protocol is there? Whenever
There
you
will
come,
be
whenever
permission.
that is that who will define that permission? LangChain. LangChain. Inside the LangChain, some permissions are there. We need to define it. Based on the rules and regulations only, these tools will attach to agent itself. Where to define? LangChain. And do we have any multi-agent? Respond. Do we have the multi-agent? When review agent need to contact to the feedback interview agent. When review agent need to contact to interview agent. If you reply, then I can give the answer to you. Is it a review agent? When he need to contact the interview agent? In which criteria? If the percentage is greater than
80.
80, then only review agent will contact the what?
Interview agent.
Interview agent. Otherwise, no need to contact. Got it or not? This kind of multi-agent communication possible with the LangGraph itself. Okay now. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyone have the questions, team? Still. Johan, you were asking code review agent again here. Johan, I will tell one point. If we go to any hospital, generally our blood test report something is there now. Doctor need to analyze our blood test report or not. When a physical person is required or not. Johan, unmute yourself. When a physical person is required and a real doctor is required or not. But if we go to the Agentic AI, no doctor required. No doctor. Give your blood sample to the review agent, review doctor. Your review doctor will read your blood sample report and it will get the feedback also. That is called as the review agent. Got it, Johan?
Yes, sir, got it.
Yes, next one. Team, if you get the confirmation, then we need to go for another example. Are you okay with this one? Because you people are asking us so many questions. Sir, will you cover that one or not this one? 100% team. Because already we done this applications also. Can I go to the another thing, especially for the Agentic AI? Especially for the Agentic AI team. Can I go for the one more example? And otherwise, after completing these two projects, team, then I need to go for the one predefined agent also. Then that predefined agent we can call N8N agent. This is one of the predefined agent. N8N agent also. This is not the our own agent. This is the predefined agent. Predefined agent. Then I will cover the N8N agent also. One, I will learn one basic example which is related to N8N. For example, this is my Gmail account. Already you people know this one here. This is the Gmail. Fine. In this Gmail, I will deploy N8N. I will deploy one ready-made agent. Then that agent we can call N8N. Fine. This N8N monitoring my Gmail. Fine. What it is monitoring? For example, if I receive any email from Akash regarding the leave approval, my N8 agent will get the reply instead of me. What kind of reply it will give here? Approved. Got it or not, Devansha? For example, if I receive any email from the Archana regarding cloud key, send cloud key to Archana. Send a cloud key. Got it or not? And who is giving the reply? N8N instead of me. What it is doing? It is monitoring my inbox. It is validating emails also. That rules and regulations we need to define. Define that rules and regulations in the Excel file and link that Excel file to the N8N. Then N8N automatically will get the reply instead of you. That is called as the predefined agent. Any question here? Any question? Reply team, do you have any question here?
No, sir.
No, na? Predefined agent. Yajnesh garu, can I go to the next level or if
Is
you want to
this
ask any question here?
Yeah, can you please
agent,
briefly explain once again the N81?
N8, not N81, N81. Yajnesh garu, for example, every day you will receive email or not? Emails are on multiple people.
Yeah.
Yeah. For that email manually you are giving the reply or not?
Yes.
But
Sometimes we'll reply.
not sometime, always you need to get the reply. Otherwise, how it possible? It's not possible. No?
Yeah.
Is this
Yeah.
free agent or any
Free.
paid? Do we
It's a
need to
paid,
pay?
yeah. It's a paid, it's a torture kind of thing. This Agentic AI and the generated torture, like we need to do payment for everything.
Okay.
Around $58. N8N cost is around $58.
per
Fine.
month,
Agents
per year.
paid, completely paid. Completely paid. Production level paid here, but locally it's a free. Fine.
Okay.
Agents, for example, I wanted to send one email to you. You should give the manual reply or not. Yes, respond or not. You should get the manual reply or not. You need to
Yeah,
give.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
but now onwards, no need to go for the manual reply. Just install N8N to your Gmail. Instead of you, your Gmail will get the reply. You may ask, sir, how it's possible. You need to define the rules and regulations in the form of one Excel sheet. You need to tell it. If I receive any email from the Samba, if that email contain any keywords, give this reply. Got it? Otherwise, don't give the reply. These kind of rules and regulations you need to define inside the N8N. Then only it's possible. Got it now? Yeah. Next one, team.
Yeah.
This is the broad syllabus which is related to Agentic AI. Fine. Team, I told like a descriptive syllabus, not the heavy syllabus, a descriptive. Still internally we have the so many other topic also. Fine. And at the end, team, at the end, at the end, and I need to build one more project. One more project based on the audience, based on you people. What are the project you suggest me? Any random project, SAP project, coding project, .NET project, any project. What are the thought you told me here? What are the thought you told me here? That thought, based on that thought. For example, I will show one example thing. Like one medical student, I will show the WhatsApp also here. One medical student, she developed one agent. She is not from the coding background also, current batch student. Just maybe yesterday only she developed her project. Basically, she is the doctor, but she wanted to upgrade like just for the casual purpose. She joined the class. Wait, say this one. This is the legal project because her brother is the lawyer in the Hyderabad. So she need to upload any kind of legal questions or something. So your agent will get the answers also. So like this is the legal AI agent. She developed yesterday. She is not the coding background also. Based on the one predefined agent, based on that one, she developed one more thing also. Remember that one. So based on the audience poll, like if you suggest me, sir, do the another project, I will do that one. And that project I need to deploy with the GCP server, Google Cloud Platform Server. So this is the whole syllabus which is related to agentic AI. Fine. Now, as usual, you people know, coming to the generative AI, you people may ask the generative AI. In the generative AI, what's the speciality of the generative AI? Generative AI able to generate the text content or not? Text content or not? Generative
Yeah,
Yeah.
AI able to generate the code content or not?
Yeah.
Generative AI
yeah,
able to generate the audio content or not?
Audio and
Audio
video,
content. Next one,
images,
video also. It is able to generate the video. Next one, it is able to generate the what code also. Not code, what do you call images.
images.
Images also. So this kind of thing I need to do. In the generative way, I will show the all the 5 projects also, all the LLMs also. Like LLMs in the sense, regular LLM, OpenAI LLM, Claude LLM, Gemini LLM, Perplexity, and Hugging Face. So many LLMs are there. Nearly 4 to 5 LLMs I need to show. Once if you prepare the agentic AI, you may feel like it's nothing. The generative way is the nothing. Once if you prepare the agentic AI. Got the clarity or not? So in the generative way, these kind of topics I need to discuss, team. And another thing is the, as usual, you know the Python. I will cover the topics from the Python itself. Next one, I need to cover the machine learning. I need to cover the deep learning. I need to cover the NLP also. Fine. On top of it, I need to show the integrations also. Which integration I need to show? Spring Boot integration I need to show. Next one, I need to show the one more integration. The integration is the React.js integration also I need to show. And I need to go for the deployments also. All the deployments I need to show it. Got it or not? And another thing, and one more person, he is in contact with me, Anil, like parallelly, just to coordinate with me, not in the class care, in the offline or somewhere else, you need to contact with me here. Once if you contact here, then I need to show the SAP integration also. How you need to integrate with the SAP platform also. If you explain that the scenario where you are using the SAP platform, how you are using care, then we will build one agent. Then that agent we need to integrate it to SAP platform also. I can say, sir, how you can do that one? That's our question here. Fine. In our SAP platform also, I will let you know. in our SAP platform also, your platform able to access endpoints or not? Is it possible or not? Respond. I have some endpoints. Anil gar, please respond. You have some endpoints or not? We have some endpoint. We will develop one endpoint by using the agent. Then whatever the agent is there, that agent we need to integrate to your SAP platform. This is also possible. Fine. So team, I told the rough idea regarding the whole content. Still, if you have any
So,
question, you can fight with
yeah.
me.
So can I ask
Yes.
me one question?
No,
Yeah. So
go
for
ahead.
when you say SAP integration, we don't need any SAP knowledge. As being an AI
Exactly.
agent, we simply integrate with that only, right? We don't need that
Exactly.
SAP
Exactly.
integration, SAP knowledge.
Yeah, if you need, I will provide the more clarity here. For example, is it a agent? Because my responsibility is that I need to develop one agent. Am I right or not? This agent, what are the agent is there? This agent link to one endpoint. Link to that endpoint your SAP. We are not responsible. Anil is the responsible to integrate it. But our responsibility is what? We need to provide one endpoint. What are the agent is there? On top of agent, develop one fast API. Through that fast API, we will generate one endpoint. That endpoint he need to integrate it to his SAP platform. Got it or not? Fine. Any other questions, team? Syllabus point of are you people okay? Sayed? Surendranath?
Yes.
Yes, whoever joined today, Shravan Kumar. I hope you joined the day one. Na?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes. Any questions, team? Still, are you happy with the content? If you have any questions, team, you can ask to me.
So, and one more question: can we create our own LLMs? Is it possible?
Why not? Why not? But I can say one answer to you, but solid answer, perfect answer I need to tell you. To develop one LLM, just to take the chart GPT, how much amount they spent? How much amount they spent? Can you guess the rough idea?
Millions.
$1 billion of amount. Am I right or not? Even though chart GP percentage, you know the chart GP percentage, maybe around 54 percentage. That's it. They spend how many dollars here? $1 billion of money.
Yeah.
Got it or not? But say this one. We can build similar application like my chart GPT. We can build it. Architecture, we can build it. Yes or not? If we build, we need to train it. You know, to train that model, we need to spend $1 billion of amount. But architecture we can build. But we are not the capable person to develop one more LLM. Got the answer or not?
At least India can do that, na? Like every country.
India, Narendra Modi can do that one. Not Samba, not Sneshwara.
Yeah.
Okay, na?
Because every country they have their own LLMs. Like China
Exactly.
DeepSeek is there.
Yes, sir. That is related to government related, sir, because $1 billion of amount, na? $1 billion of amount. Okay, na? But prototype we can build in the class. The similar kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
Next.
how about this something called vibe coding they keep telling in the market?
Nothing. Nothing. Dinesh, all the people, if you people don't, if you are not dissatisfied, I will tell the what is vibe coding. Can I tell the what is the vibe coding?
Go
Respect
ahead.
him. I think don't dissatisfy him because the reason is the, all of the developers are there. I know developer mentality. The developer mentality in the sense they need to open the VS code. They need to create the one file like a test.java, test.java, like say this funny character, test.java.
GitHub,
T is the
sorry,
capital.
one
T is the
GitHub
capital.
Copilot is the vibe coding. GitHub Copilot.
Vibe coding only. Fine.
Vibe
Now say this
coding.
one. Yeah, say this one. I will let you know what is the vibe coding. I will let you know simply. Try to say this one. Um, is it a multi-agent application? Yes or not?
Correct.
Agent
Yeah.
application or not? Assume here, myself, I'm the non-coder. Okay, myself, I'm coming from the some admin background. Like my qualification also some MBA or something. MBA, I don't have the knowledge on any language, CCM, I don't have, but I wanted to build it up. Without touching the code, I wanted to build this project. That is called as the vibe coding. That is called as what? Vibe coding.
So
Without
can I
touching
tell?
the code.
Can I
Without,
tell the definition?
yeah, why not?
So vibe coding nothing but see without writing a manually coding. So okay, when you write a coding with using AI tools, when you okay, without even a non-technical person can do that coding. That is called a vibe coding, right?
Same thing,
Am
na?
I right?
Say this one. Same thing, because myself, I'm the MBA graduate. I'm the non-coder. But I joined in one company. The company demanding me develop a multi-agent application with the help of Python. Do I know that one? I don't know that one. So without touching any language, with the help of AI tools, I needed to build the whole project. That is called as a vibe coding. Got it or not?
But that's very risky, right? If something you have to modify tomorrow, again, it'll be.
I need to give the answer to you. Recently 1 month back, in all the news channels giving the publicity regarding the Anthropic AI. Have you heard about it? Anthropic AI,
Yeah,
all
Claude.
the
Yeah, correct.
Claude, something. Almost all the companies they give the too much publicity regarding the Anthropic AI. If I use the Anthropic AI, 99% coding is correct. 99%. Got it or not? I think if the Claude created the 100 coding files, the 99 coding files are correct. See this one, how much accuracy is there. Because of that accuracy, one of the companies are terminating the employees in the companies. Got it or not? So
Correct.
accuracy also good. It's a danger zone. You know what are the tool is? It's a danger zone. Got it or not? You are
Correct.
asking it's a danger now, but the tool giving the 99% accuracy. But recently from the last 2 days onwards, I'm using the Anthropic AI. Last week to build one project. You know what I'm doing here? My complete laptop control I given to the cloud itself. The complete laptop control. The cloud build a whole project also. The project also around 99% of the project is completed. Because of laziness, I didn't submit that project to the university. Then wait here, I will show that one. See this one, complete project. The whole project completed here.
So,
Just because of I say the mobile application, everything is ready. Like the coming to this project, what are the project is there? Coming to this project, I used the Anthropic AI, and I given my laptop controller Anthropic itself. Anthropic only enter it into my laptop. Anthropic only download.
one question. Yeah. So before you develop, do you follow any Figma design? Yeah, it's automatically designed.
Can I get the answer to you? That Figma also given by the Anthropic itself. That Figma also. Can I show that Figma? I will show
Okay.
that Figma
So
also.
is it convert the Figma design to code
Coding.
as pixel wise?
Exactly. Okay.
Okay. How do you use that?
To,
I want to know that.
to do that one also, AI tools are there. Nano Banana. One tool is the Nano Banana 2 tool. The 2 tool doing here.
Is
Just to
it
give
Yeah,
from
for image generation center.
exactly. Just to give your idea to that one here. Your idea will convert to wireframes also. Fine. For example, wait here, I will show that one also. I think maybe you are the designer, na? You are from the designer background, na?
I'm as a senior front end developer, React front end.
Got it. You are the Reactor. Already you talked with me also.
Yes.
Yeah, wait here. I will show that one.
I don't want to waste your time. If it's covered, then you
No.
can.
That is also there. Because see this one, already I told na, because without writing the single line of code also say this one. Here we have the architecture diagram. So UI.
Nowadays we spend a lot of time to the development, UI development from Figma to
Is it you say this one? Is it a Figma design or not?
I don't know, but
It's a
it's
Figma
looks
design.
look and feel is very good. Yeah.
I think compared to developer, this look and feel is too much good. Compared to developer
Yes,
itself.
yes. But medium level, it's
Got it,
okay.
Anand. Yeah. So to do this one, na, to do this one, my investment is the around $30 to $35 only to do this one. How much accuracy is there? My investment and time also around 1 hour only. Within 1 hour.
You spent
Within
only $30 to
thirty
develop this.
dollars and just $30 and 2 hours of time. But
So
only one thing.
50,000.
But one thing, you should be perfect with the prompt also. If you're the
Okay.
strong with the prompt only, then only your designs are good. And one
Mm.
point I need to tell. One more point is the AI tools are the 99% only, not 100%. If you ask me, sorry, is AI great or human great? I can say only human, not AI. Got it or not? Sometimes that AI also will get the mad answers. It will get some kind of mad answers. Whenever it is saying the mad answer, you need to give the left and right to that AI. Hey, AI, you are giving the wrong answer. Please give the correct answer. That conscious also as a human being we required. Then only the AI will get the perfect answer to you. Otherwise, the AI will move to the wrong track. Just like a Google locations. Sometimes Google Maps also will show the wrong directions or not.
Yeah, that time we
That,
have to mention that the feedback is correct or not.
yeah, I think that conscious is required. So that's why I'm saying like human is the great compared to the AI. Okay, fine.
Sir, this card and everything is paid one, right?
Compulsory paid na paid too much paid, like like just like roughly I told like the syllabus kind of thing, to complete that NIT and this multi-agent or single agent, you may feel like as a trainer in my class also I need to spend around $100 of amount, around $100, that much, around $50 for the NIT and Cloud also already too much, like they're taking the dollars with the help of Straw itself, especially Cloud, taking the dollars like anything. Yeah, I think that is also under cloud keys. It's a paid year because the one of the negative point regarding the AI is the payment is the too cost.
API
Recently,
keys also, API keys Allah
$5,
also.
sir. $5, sir. $5 is the official, unofficial is $6 to $7, sir. Okay, fine. Next one thing. Any questions related to content? Are you happy with the content or still are you expecting anything to me? But I can go the one promise to you, highest content. Even though
It,
if I deliver this content here, myself is the first person because myself is the first person to deliver this kind of these. I think you can compare with anywhere also. You can compare with anywhere also. So this is the highest content team.
So are
question
you
has
going to cover NITN? Are you going to
No,
cover?
why not? Why not? Why not? N8N also. Isnesh garu, one example, one or two examples I need to cover with the N8N. Okay, na? Yeah.
yeah, one question, sir. Who will be the trainer for the whole course? You or yesterday?
Yesterday myself, na. Every day taking myself only, na.
Okay, you will be the whole instructor. Yesterday I
Yes,
thought
sir.
someone other name.
Leave it, leave it. Maybe some misguidance because maybe some other vendors they're competing, like they're doing some misguidance to the people itself. Okay, now leave
Okay,
it.
so you will be the whole trainer for this.
Exactly. And one more thing, myself is the Samba. I'm the founder of Pro Skills.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
and one more
Yesterday.
thing. Yeah, got it. Now, no need to worry. No need to worry. Ke. Already given the information also. Like maybe just 1 minute here. I don't want to make it the. I don't want to make you to the some bore kind of thing. Already I told the some problems at outside.
Okay.
Wait here. Sai, is it recording or not?
It was recording.
Can you please pause it, Sai? Or else, just leave it. Team say this one. Already I told. Don't feel the bad about it.